Quick question. How many times have you said, tomorrow I'll wake up early and hit the gym, and then tomorrow turns into next Monday, which magically turns into New Year's Resolution 2026? Yep, we've all been there. Today, we're talking about discipline, the secret sauce that turns I'll try into I did it. And don't worry, I'm not going to lecture you like a boring school teacher. We'll keep it real, simple, and even a little funny. Tip number 1. Start small. Stay consistent. Look, discipline is like Wi-Fi, stronger when you're close to the source, and totally unreliable when you spread yourself too thin. Instead of saying, I'll read 50 pages every night, just commit to 5 pages. Even if it's the nutrition label on your chips, it still counts. The key is showing up every day no matter how small the effort. Trust me, small habits stack up faster than pizza boxes during exam season. Tip number 2. Remove the temptation. I once told myself I'd cut down on late-night Netflix. Guess what? I ended up binge-watching 3 seasons of Money Heist in 1 week. The problem? My laptop was literally staring at me from the desk like, come on bro, just one more episode. So what did I do? I started leaving it in another room at night. Out of sight, out of mind. If you want to eat healthier, don't keep cookies in your room. Keep them in the kitchen. Tip number 3. Set consequences and rewards. Here's a fun story. I once bet my friend that if I skipped a workout, I'd owe him 500 rupees. Suddenly I turned into Captain Consistency. Because let's be real, no one wants to lose money. Especially to that one friend who never forgets a bet. Discipline grows when there's something at stake, so make deals with yourself. Reward yourself with a small treat if you complete the task, but put a penalty if you don't. Discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about being better than yesterday. Unless yesterday was pizza night, then, yeah, good luck. If you found these tips helpful, and maybe a little entertaining, hit that subscribe button